Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Live, School Idol Festival. First, you'll want to download the free game from your App Store. Once installed, launch the game and follow the introductory tutorial. This will guide you through the very first steps, helping you choose your initial idol and understand the basic interface. It's a quick and easy way to jump right into the world of school idols. The core of Love Live is its exciting rhythm game. During a live show, notes will fly towards 9 circles on your screen. Your goal is to tap these circles precisely when the notes align, aiming for perfect or great timing. Building long combo chains and activating your idol's unique skills automatically will significantly boost your score, helping you clear songs and earn fantastic rewards. Beyond the rhythm game, a key part of Love Live involves building your ultimate idol unit. You'll collect many different idol cards, often through scouting, each with unique stats and skills. Assemble units of 9 idols, strategically choosing members based on their attributes like smile, pure, or cool to match the song's requirements. Remember to level up and practice your idols to maximize their performance potential. To truly progress and enjoy Love Live, make sure to engage with the game's many events. These limited-time challenges offer fantastic opportunities to earn rare idol cards and other valuable rewards. Don't forget to complete your daily and weekly missions, as they provide a steady stream of resources. As you play more, you'll unlock exciting new songs and captivating story chapters, expanding your idol journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.